You can quit your job when you get monetized on YouTube. But before you go, the only people that can quit their job when they get monetized on YouTube are those people that have already tested the platform for at least 6 months to be sure that this is sustainable and the income is stable, the inflow of money is coming every month, and they know that this is enough for us for the month. And if that is enough for them for the month, they can continue to build on that. Those are the people that can quit their job after which their account has been monetized on YouTube. But for newbie like you can't quit your job because you need to know that YouTube income does not come by just getting monetized. YouTube income comes when you have been monetized and then you are getting enough views on your videos. I remember those days when I started YouTube. I've been on YouTube for the past 6 years now. We were praying, trying to get monetized. That once I get monetized, everything is settled, everything is done. And immediately I got monetized, then I knew that the work just began. So getting monetized on YouTube is not even enough for you to quit your job, but the only thing that guarantees you quitting your job is when you have tested this platform for at least 6 months after you've been monetized and you think it's okay for you to quit your job. YouTube money is free money. I hear this a lot. YouTube money is not free money because you are being paid for your work. If you look at the time you put into the work to get that video out, you know that that time is worth paying for if you are working for somebody, because people that you're working for, they pay for your time and your skill. So the same thing on YouTube, YouTube pay for your time and your skill. What do I mean by that? You take your time to record that video, then that video you're recording is your skill. You're putting your skills out there, you're putting your knowledge out there, and you post that video. It's not even guaranteed that after you posted that video that you've taken your time to record and edit, then package everything. It's not guaranteed that you won't get the view you're looking for. So YouTube money, it is not. It's never a free money. It is money paid for your hard work. Every video pay the same amount of money. Every video doesn't pay the same amount of money because CPM and RPM and location of your audience or your viewers. Let's assume you post a video now and that video gets about 500,000 views. People that watched that video came from United States, United Kingdom, Nigeria, South Africa. You post another video again, that one has the same amount of 500,000 views, and the only people that watch your video are just from Nigeria, Bangladesh, and India. Believe me, the one with Nigeria, Bangladesh, and India is going to have low revenue because of the CPM rate. They don't have high CPM rates. So, the CPM will determine your RPM. Likewise, the same thing on the one that has people from UK, US, Canada, and Nigeria and South Africa. That one, because of the CPM and RPM also, you're going to get higher revenue on that. What is CPM? CPM is revenue per mile. CPM is just how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. Why RPM is how much YouTube will pay you per 1,000. So once advertiser pays a particular amount for 1,000 views, and then YouTube will take from that 1,000 views and give you your RPM from that, meaning that they are going to also pay you per 1,000 views from that CPM. So that is why many a time you can't get equal amount of revenue for the same amount of views. YouTube money is a passive income. Yes, YouTube money is a passive income, but before you can call it passive income, you need to have at least ready-made audience. What do I mean by ready-made audience? Audience that are willing to watch your video anytime, any day that you post. Meaning that if you post now, they will be there to watch, and because they are watching and you're getting a lot of views, you are making money. So it's become passive. All right, but if you are just starting as a small YouTuber, you don't have that guarantee audience that will be willing to watch your video. In order for YouTube to even push that video, for YouTube algorithm to push that video, then you can't call YouTube passive because you're still very young YouTuber. YouTube money is stable income. Yes, of course, YouTube money is stable income for those that have mastered the craft. What do I mean by that? For those that know that they have audience that are loyal to them where they post, those of them want to learn from them or just want to watch their video for one reason or the other. These are the people that can say YouTube is a stable income. But for people that are struggling to get view, you can't call it a stable income yet until you build that momentum, until you build that audience base that are loyal and ready to watch whatever content you put out there. As a YouTuber, YouTube can make you wealthy. But you should have it in mind that a Rome is not built in a day. You should put in the work. not just try to get that subscribers. Make sure you're putting out content that your subscriber want to watch. If you put out what they want to watch, you are going to get that view that you need, because without view on YouTube, there's nothing like money for people that depends on ad revenue. If you have gotten value from this video so far, don't forget to like this video. You can also drop comment in the comment section, and do where to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. There are so many people on this YouTube that don't really depend on ad revenue alone. They have other ways to make money online, and I know some of them that haven't gotten that 1,000 subscriber yet, not even 4,000 hours, and they're making passive income on YouTube. So if you want to be part of those people also, you can watch this next video here. This video is going to help you to know how to make money even when you are just 500 subscribers and you are not getting your 4,000 hours. Now we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.